In this video, I wanted to talk to you about email marketing and why you should start collecting email addresses from the very first day you set up your store. It's because when you've got subscribers, when you are growing your list and you're sending regular newsletters, it is much easier to sell to someone who is already familiar with your brand. For example, someone who visited your store, someone who subscribed to your newsletter, or someone who bought previously from you. So this is much easier, much cheaper because you don't spend on marketing, you don't spend on trying to convince buyers to buy from you. You simply talk to someone who is already trusting you, who knows what you're doing, so they are much more likely to convert. And I remember back in my previous business, I there was an issue that my website dropped from Google, and I was relying back then on organic traffic from Google. And without newsletters, basically my traffic from Google disappeared like overnight. There was no penalty. It was this period of 2012, 2013 when they were introducing new algorithms like Panda, Google Penguin, and so on. And it really affected me. It really affected the website, and I lost a lot of traffic, yeah, almost overnight. And if I wasn't sending regular newsletters, I would basically lose my revenue. However, as I was sending regular newsletters, I think I was sending at least one or two newsletters per week. I could still promote, I could still market my business to my subscribers, so my sales didn't really drop because of that, because I had a lot of repeat business. So this is where it's this kind of safety net for you. You need to start building your newsletter, your subscribers base from day one. It is really important, and don't neglect it. And in the next video, I'll show you how to start collecting email addresses in your store.